Hello, in front of me I've got Alfa Romeo Giulietta. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can increase radio volume and decrease radio volume. Next to this button we can mute or unmute the radio. This button activates voice assistant. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. Take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Thanks to these buttons, you can change radio station. Source button changes radio source. And this button answer and end the calls. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.